Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 20th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest happenings in the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, Drift Protocol has unveiled BT, a cutting-edge prediction market on the Solana blockchain. This platform allows users to place bets on future events, offering a novel way to hedge and earn yield. BT is set to revolutionize decentralized finance by transforming global sentiment into tradable insights. With over 30 crypto assets available for trading, low transaction costs, and a liquidity pool exceeding $500 million, BT is a force to be reckoned with. The Fuel Incentive Program sweetens the deal with a 5x boost for early trading activities. Users can also delve into prediction markets, such as those concerning the upcoming US elections. Drift Protocol emphasizes community involvement and cautions users against scams. For more details, check out Drift's official channels and the BT platform. Next, we explore the essential dashboards and data sources for tracking the base economy's rapid evolution. The article provides a comprehensive list of links to key metrics, including base's performance, block space usage, and application activity. Notable resources like Token Terminal and Dune Analytics offer valuable insights into the base ecosystem, part of a broader trend towards a blockchain-driven global economy. These tools are indispensable for developers, investors, and users keen on understanding base's growth and dynamics. In the realm of restaking, the conversation is heating up following airdrops from platforms like Eigenlayer and EtherFi. EtherFi is gearing up to distribute $25 million ETHFi tokens in September, incentivizing ETH deposits and staking. Swell Network and Renzo are also making waves with significant airdrops and new offerings. Kelp.io's airdrop Gain Vault and Puffer Finance's upcoming token airdrop are adding to the excitement. Meanwhile, EigenPi and Mellow Protocol are emerging as leaders in Ethereum liquid restaking, with substantial total value locked. The DeFi landscape is bustling with strategies and platforms vying for attention. Turning to Ethereum's deflationary potential, the impact of Layer 2 solutions is under scrutiny. Despite the Denkin update making L2 transactions cheaper, L2s are expected to adjust to avoid high fees, hindering ETH's deflationary prospects. Examples like the Blobscriptions craze and Layer 0 airdrop illustrate this behavior. The suggestion is to revitalize the Ethereum mainnet to attract users and builders, balancing L2 scaling with a robust mainnet ecosystem. Lastly, a thread by @CryptoKermit presents a sobering pie chart on pump fund traders. The data reveals that 60% of these traders lost money, with only a tiny fraction making substantial gains. This serves as a stark reminder of the risks and volatility in trading, where the majority do not see significant financial returns. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these insights into the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology informative. Remember to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us next time for more updates and analysis. Until then, stay informed and stay safe.